Hey, it's Marco and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Shopify. Now, before we continue with this video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is basically you need to log into your Shopify account and you want to navigate to the payments section. From there on the payouts, you want to click on payouts to access your payout setting. Then you want to review the available balance in your Shopify account, and then you want to select the bank account where you want your balance to be transferred. Then of course specify the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Verify the transfer details and submit the request. And of course monitor your bank account for the transferred funds. And that's it. This is the most convenient way to access your funds and manage your finances with Shopify. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what's the problem down below and I'll do my best to help you out.